Do you install screens in plastic greenhouses? Then you're repeatedly facing a challenge. How do you assemble the best system from the huge range of items available? What's the right choice for yourself and for the grower? You want to offer growers a screen system that allows them to influence the greenhouse climate just that bit better, so their crop flourishes that bit better. And you yourself would like to be unburdened. No more endless calculations with different articles from different suppliers, because there often isn't much time to elaborate a project, and you want to remain ahead of the competition with a reliable product, prompt offer, and competitive price. Just imagine having to offer a complete screen system, including a detailed project calculation at lightning speed via only one channel. Wouldn't that be ideal? Hello, screen installer and plastic greenhouses. Did our previous video make you eager to discover how you can sell a complete, competitive screen system in one operation? In this series of videos, we'll teach you how to do this with ValkPoly Plus. Let's start with the basics of the system, the ValkPoly Profile and the ValkPoly Clip. They make ValkPoly Plus stronger, cheaper, and more durable. We'll explain why. The screen profile has a unique shape, different from the traditional Tube 19, which gives it more strength. In addition, it's perfect to connect without the need for any additional actions or accessories. You simply slide them together, and that saves costs. The matching wire guide block ensures that the polyester wire and the profile do not touch. This makes both last longer. Do you want to know how you can save even more costs on the drive? We'll tell you all about it in our next video. Hello, screen installer and poly greenhouses. Are you ready for part 3 of the story about the development that'll help you save costs and time without losing quality? In parts 1 and 2, we told you about the challenges and the basics. Today, it is time for the drive and a pole wire installation. ValkPoly Plus has found a way to drive larger departments with less engine power. How? By partly replacing the steel wire, which pulls to open and close the screens, by a ValkPoly cord. This special cord is smoother than the steel wire and can therefore be wrapped around a more compact drive shaft. More compact drive shafts require less engine power and fewer engines, which means lower costs. Is your greenhouse not resistant to the forces of a pull wire installation? Then ValkPoly Plus has another solution. We'll tell you all about it in our next video. Will you keep watching? Hello, screen installer. Welcome back to the series of videos about ValkPoly Plus, the screen system for plastic greenhouses that will make your work easier and your customer happier. We told you about the basics and the drive. Today, we'll tell you about the versatility. For greenhouses that are not resistant to the forces of a pull wire installation, ValkPoly Plus has another type of drive, the ValkPoly Drive Push-Pull Installation. It consists of only a few components that are multi-purpose and completely coordinated. That saves you time looking for compatible components at different suppliers. The centerpiece of the system is the trellis strip. Due to its smart design, it acts as a connection between no less than 4 components. This eliminates the need for loose fittings and simplifies your stock management considerably. We'll show you how and where in this poly greenhouse. The trellis strip connects. First, the trellis tube by the use of a one-size-fits-all V-bracket. Second, the 50x50 tube for supporting the push-pull drives. Third, the closing wire, which is the start and end point of the screen. And fourth, the roller bracket that guides the push-pull tube. 4 applications of a single article. That's versatile. Summarizing, ValkPoly Drive is versatile, resulting in less research and less stock. Enough about hardware. Let's talk about software. Do you like detailed project calculations at lightning speed? We'll tell you all about it in our next video. Hello, screen installer and poly greenhouses. Welcome to video 5 about the screen concept for poly greenhouses that will make your work a lot more fun. In the previous videos, we've showed you the advantages of the hardware of ValkPoly Plus. Today we'll tell you about a very big plus, the accompanying free software for project calculation. ValkPoly Planner. This is how it works. Go to ValkPolyPlanner.com, create or log into your account, and start calculating your project. First, enter your project details. Next, choose your screen system details by selecting the type and settings you like. If you're not sure, you can consult the info button for more information. After this, you choose the drive system you prefer. Subsequently, you enter the greenhouse details, such as section and bay size. To finish, fill in the number of bays and sections, and here you are. Your floor plan is ready. The next step is to refine the calculation. With the button Adjust Floor Plan, you can easily make adjustments by, for example, indicating recesses. After this, it's time to draw the screen sections in the shape of a square or a polygon. All done? Click Save and Calculate, and the project price immediately appears in the top right corner. By pressing Bill of Materials, you'll get a complete quotation, ready to download and send to your customer. So, have we convinced you of the convenience of ValkPoly Planner in calculating projects? And can't wait to get started? Stay tuned for our next and final video. Hello, screen installer and poly greenhouses. Welcome to our final video about ValkPoly Plus, the screen system for poly greenhouses that saves you time and costs and generates a good reputation. Let's list the benefits again. Thanks to its unique shape, the ValkPoly profile is stronger and can be connected without additional accessories. That saves costs and time. The special ValkPoly clip prevents wear on the profile and polyester threads, making them last longer. With the ValkPoly drive system, fewer motors are required for the same greenhouse surface, thanks to the use of the ValkPoly cord. And that saves even more costs. And the multifunctional trellis strip of ValkPoly drive means that less research and stock management is required. This saves, again, costs and also time and space. In addition, the free software ValkPoly Planner enables you to quickly and easily calculate a complete project. And that makes your work more fun and your customer happier with a quick quote. In summary, ValkPoly Plus is a complete system. It includes high-quality hardware and free user-friendly software at a competitive price. Does this make you happy? And do you want to know more? Please contact us. We are happy to be of service.